Okay guys, so I decided to do a quick video on the effects of what I'm currently going through in my life, which is called dreaded eczema. Alright, so I decided to make a quick video on the effects of these dark circles that you guys see around my I don't know if you guys have heard of the skin condition, but basically it's a condition that actually occurs with all generations, all lifestyles, and all types of skin, okay? I have been having eczema for, back and forth, like, since I've been like 12, I think. 11, 12, I've been affected by eczema. And if you guys can see my previous videos, if you haven't seen my previous videos, any videos that I'm not wearing makeup in, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. And you can actually kind of see it right now. Here is a patch that I have from my skin actually clearing up. So eczema has actually gone away, and it's here around my eyelids and my mouth. So I decided to record this video today without any makeup so you guys can see because I'm going to enter a video or maybe a picture, ding ding, of what my skin looked like before and what I have actually done to heal, because I've come a long way from what this was, as well as here. But for me, eczema happens when I'm going through like a very stressful time, or basically when things are just stressful, or change of environment, like the weather has changed, or I've just changed my routine and my diet. So I'm going to show you guys some products that you can probably find very, very useful to actually see yourself out of eczema and just kind of get better, if that could, help anyone. Anyway, I use a host of products to get rid of my eczema when it does start to flare up. So I'm going to show you guys some of those products here. That way you can look and see. I'm going to show you a host of products that I've been using to get rid of this current episode I'm going through, which is basically eczema. But anyhow, here we go. So the first product that I actually got from a dermatologist, because I had to see them about my skin, is Cetaphil. I was using soap, and the soap that I was using, because I've tried everything to cleanse my face, and this is literally legit, the daily face cleanser. Legit, this stuff is bomb, okay? Get it in your life. You'll feel so much smoother on your face. Your face, for me, eczema has been affecting me recently on my face and my chest area here. But this stuff is amazing. I use a nice cloth, and I'll rinse my face at first with, I'd say, cool water, and then I use a cotton round and actually just do 2 pumps of this stuff inside the cotton round, and I'm just gently exfoliating my face. I can't say that exfoliating is good for you every single day, but I definitely will highly recommend using Cetaphil Daily Facial Cleanser, or they even have a body. This is for the face, and you can see that logo right there. See that? And then it's for normal to oily skin. For me, and for most people that do have eczema, your skin should definitely be dry. Dry as I don't know what. Like the Sahara has not. The Sahara has built up a backup on your skin. But this helps for generally dry skin as well. I've been using it for quite some time. Next thing I want to show you guys, so after I cleanse my face and rinse all of the cleanser off, I move forward with a toner. So Olay Cleanse is what I've been using. It's made with witch hazel, and this product is used for, it says tones by removing dirt, oil without stripping skin, essential moisture. It's dermatologist tested. So again, you don't want to be using any products on your skin that will dry your face out or your body out with eczema, because that'll just add to and intensify the spell that you're going through. Because I don't know if this is just me or other people that do have eczema, but once you manage it, honey, if you're going through a stressful situation or a life change, it's gonna pop up again. So it's all about maintaining what you have going on currently. I had to stop and re-record again, but so basically what I was talking about with this cleanser is it's not going to strip your skin away. It's going to remove the excess dirt with the witch hazel agents in it to provide a cleansed, well-toned, even skin-toned face. Right now I'm still in the process of getting rid of it, and I'm going to show you guys some pictures of what my face looks like. So after I use that toner, next thing I slap on ya, okay? Actually, there's two things that I use, okay? To seal in the cleanser and the toner. Y'all know it. It even has, some information on the back here. It's suitable for eczema prone skin. This stuff, honey, I don't care what anybody says. For eczema, yeah, you're gonna have to get you some of this. And you're gonna have to use this very, very well with a little bit of this, okay? This is actually ground turmeric, okay? I don't know if you guys have heard of this, but this stuff is amazing, and I'm gonna tell you why it's amazing, okay? Because I mix these two agents together, and then I actually put the turmeric around the areas that have brown. Now with brown skin or brown people, I don't know what it is, but I could have an eczema flare up, not scratch, not touch, just look at it and it turns color. And it's gonna last on your skin for some time. I just got rid of a mark here, but I don't know if you guys can see it, but it was right here on my forehead, and it was just a spot of eczema just sitting there like, hi, how you doing? This stuff right here, when I started mixing it with the cocoa butter, honey, I'm gonna tell you, these two together and just putting it on your face as though it's a paste, bomb. And I will tell you, the brightening that I have experienced after using this turmeric right on my face, the ground turmeric, it's been great, okay? Use it every day if possible. I say once a day, so I try and use it before I go to bed. It's really, really helpful, and turmeric has some natural healing agents in it. It can be used for pain. It can be used for areas that are inflamed, anything you can think of, okay? After I use my ground turmeric and my ground turmeric and my cocoa butter, okay, cocoa butter formula, I'm using this. This is called Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream, and it's also used for the face, if you guys can see that right there. I don't know why my camera is like out of focus, but it deeply hydrates for at least 24 hours, and it brightens and smooths the skin. So literally, I'm literally taking 2 fingers with not even a dime size of this stuff around my eyes, in the areas that are very, very dry around my eyes, because I'm one of the type of people that do get eczema around my eyelids. So I'm instantly putting this on, because I don't know about you guys, but as soon as I wash my face and get me some toner on, honey, it's time. My face is like, it's time. What are you doing, girl? Get something to moisturize your skin. And so the next product that I use is, I don't know if you guys can tell, but I love me some Cetaphil. Cetaphil is gentle to my skin, and it's just amazing. It feels good. But this is the Cetaphil Rich Hydrating Night Cream. So again, I use a hydrating eye gel cream right here, and then right after I'm applying maybe just a dab on my finger, all on my face in 4 dots, and then rubbing in very gently on my face. Now this does some seriously rich and hydrating night cream. I only use it at night, and it's really used to like continue to fill in moisture in my skin. So definitely recommend this stuff. It's used and it says here, for best experience, use after cleansing with any Cetaphil facial cleanser. So they go hand in hand. And this, I will tell you guys, there's a lot of products that you can buy out there for eczema, of course. But for me, my preference is just to make sure that my skin maintains moisture, because it will lock it out as soon as I wash it and add water onto it, okay? So I'm definitely applying this, the Cetaphil Rich Hydrating Night Cream. It lasts all night. Then after I've applied all of my products, I seal in my products. You guys are familiar with eczema. You will know that eczema itches like freaking crazy. It itches like crazy. If you continuously scratch at it, like when I have that bruising up there, you can see it a little bit more now. But when I had that bruising up there, I was like, you know what? I cannot scratch it. I cannot. And I'm telling you, this is the Walgreens brand. It's regular strength hydrocortisone cream, okay? I use this for itching, and it works perfectly. It's used for itching, irritations, inflammations, and rashes due to keyword here, eczema. Perfect stuff to use when you're going through a flare-up with eczema, because it's gonna make your skin stop itching, which reduces any dry agents or dry skin types, because when you scratch, your skin gets dry. When your skin gets dry and even more dry, guess what's gonna happen? It's time to use some cream, some moisturizer. So what I did to actually remove any itching and dryness on my skin, I do my very, very best to make sure that I'm applying the hydrocortisone to my skin. And sorry guys, I just dropped the cat, but I use that quite often on my skin to make sure that it's hydrating the moisture that I've already added to my skin. And then on top of it, it just doesn't itch anymore. So if you guys want to go a little bit higher in strength, this is the regular strength that I use. If you need more, I say go at it, go extra strength, because eczema really, really, really does a doozy on me. And last product I'm going to show you guys to seal in the moisture. Now, shout out to my friend Amber. I love you, dog, for putting me on with this stuff right here, guys, okay? Now, this is specifically used, I'm going to give you a description here, a non-greasy, long-lasting moisturizing cream. It's easy to spread, quickly absorbed, and non-comedonic, and does not cause blackheads. Moisturizes the skin without exposing it to common chemical irritants found in ordinary skincare products. It's free of dyes, fragrance, masking, parabens, and is gluten-free, okay? This stuff is serious. And look, there's a stamp here. Now I'm sure it says that it's been certified and accepted by the National Eczema Association. But this stuff, Benny Cream Girl, you need to get you some, okay? This is gonna lock in the moisture. If you need to, reapply, okay? And I'm gonna open this up so you guys can see like the consistency just a little bit on camera here. I mean, it's pretty thick, okay? So you can see like it's not really dropping here. And I don't know if you guys can see that, but the consistency is really, really nice. Okay. And this is kind of pricey. I bought this on Amazon. Actually, all these products you can actually purchase on Amazon on your own. But these products are all, safe and can heal and resume your skin after a flare up. Now, remember, with eczema, it's all about the environment that you're in, your tone, how you are managing your mind, body, spirit, and soul, because it comes from within. I believe personally. Okay? Try these products out and tell me what you think. Um, I'm still working on the hyperpigmentation, and I will be visiting a dermatologist really pretty soon, within the next week or so, to just further address the areas that are not affected by eczema right now, but this is the aftermath. So guys, I've already gotten rid of those little tiny dots, those pimples, okay? Now it's the aftermath. My skin is healing. Of course, I do use the turmeric to heal the discoloration and the hyperpigmentation. But go ahead and check out some things. If you guys have questions about eczema, my journey, leave the comments below. I love you guys. Check out my other videos, comment and subscribe, okay? Follow me on Instagram at bgcmeans. And for you guys that are interested, I do have a business page for a lot of the more entrepreneurial ship things that I do. And that Instagram is at InFromTheRainLashes on Instagram. That's where y'all can find me. I love you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.